We've all learned from childhood, you probably learned in your studies in the UK, that India is a net importer of energy. It's incorrect. It's not only incorrect, it's false. It's a, it's a rumor being spread for the last 40 years. Because we don't import energy, we import carbon atoms. We are used to handling carbon atoms in the form of crude oil, coal, and natural gas. We import in a year about 350 million tons of carbon atoms from foreign shores, paying foreign exchange, and using a carbon footprint that's invisible to us because it's somebody else's tanker or somebody else's airplane or whatever else, right? But as a country, our 1.4 billion population throws 550 million tons of carbon atoms every year, more than we import. So if we learn to repurpose carbon atoms in this country and learn to repurpose it to scale, we can actually someday stand up and say we don't need your carbon.